How to fix microphone not working on your Windows 10 or 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your microphone not working on your Windows 10 or 11. So first thing first, just head over to your settings on your device just like this by simply heading over to your search bar, and once inside your settings just click on this privacy option over here. So once you locate your privacy option, now under this left section just select this microphone option over here. Make sure you have allowed this option, that is allow apps to access your microphone. So make sure you have enabled this, and once you scroll down you can also do particularly for this specific application. So always make sure that the application in which you want the allow microphone, it has been enabled over here just like this, and you can do disable it from over here as well. So once you do all of that, next thing what you would like to do is, if it is still not working, then now this time simply search in for control panel from the search bar just like this. So I'll simply search for control panel and open it, and from over here just select the sound option from over here. So let me just quickly locate it and just tap on the sound option. So once you locate your sound option, now here you need to identify which is your microphone. So in this case I am just using my PC's microphone itself, which is the Realtek audio. So if you have connected any other audio or any other microphone that is external microphone, it will pop up over here, and all you have to do is just click on that particular microphone just like this and click on this set default button over here and simply click on apply and click on OK. And next thing what you can also do is just double tap on your speaker, that is microphone, that is a connected microphone, and just tap on this level section and make sure it is above 50 over here so that you can hear it perfectly, and simply click on OK, and just you may as well restart your PC and your issue should be fixed successfully. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.